Good day guys! Today we're going to unbox yung ating RAMSTA SSD. Okay, so this SSD is 120 gigs. This is 15 na piraso. At ito binili ko sa In-Play Gears. Now, ang usapan namin ay may resibo. So, dapat may resibo ito sa loob. So, as of now, the package is intact. Hindi naman siya mukhang nabuksan na or pinakailaman ng courier whatsoever. So let us open it. There we go. Alright, so ito siya. Here's something here. I don't know, what is it? So let us open the package from here. That. Right, so this must be the receipt. Let's open it. I hope it is so. Dahil yun ang usapan namin, meron siyang resibo. So, if In-Play will if this seller will fulfill its end of the deal, I might order many more things. Here it is. All right. Very good. Very good In-Play. Thank you so much. Sales invoice. Yes. Now let's continue unboxing this thing. I'll do it by hand now because okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9. So we have 15 in all. And every package is brand new. Here. The package is not opened. Okay, very good. So I will not open this RAMSTA SSD anymore because I have already a video on unboxing this. So since this one is sealed, I believe that it came from the factory like this. Okay, so it's Hong Kong. Well, alright, so thank you for watching and thank you In-Play Gears